So our last 4 cubes, right? 4 ago, we got a brand new one. It was a Grail. Then number 3 was one we had. Number 2 was one we had. And then the one that was last was a new one. It was a legendary. It was Jedi Master Luke. So the last few, we can go up and down of awesome, common, and then something else new and awesome again. So, which one do you think has something awesome in it?
You used to have the magic touch. So you pick and I'll do the rest.
I see. All right. I'm just feeling number 2. I don't know why. You ready?
Yep.
You're working hard. All right. What do we got? What do we got? A rare! We have this guy. Okay, so we check maybe what do we got there? Okay. So we have a couple of Order 66s. So
What's this that on there?
So there we go. All right. So another rare, not too bad, but one that we definitely do have with 3 to go. So we'll see. Keep it going.